Hi guys, this is Maddie. In this video, I'm gonna show you the best free VPN for gaming in Windows. Let's start. A VPN can certainly lower your ping and gives you online privacy and anonymity by creating a private network from a public internet connection. First, open your browser. Then go to atlasvpn.com. In this step, click on VPN apps. Then choose Windows. After that, select Download Now. Select Save File. Go to your downloads and open your file. Finally, click here to connect to VPN. Also, you have option to change your location. For example, let me choose New York. If you want to disconnect from VPN, click here. Now with this great VPN, you can enjoy your games. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe this YouTube channel. See you soon in the next video.